Okay everybody, it's been 2 weeks since we took the cuttings. I'm going to show you the growth that the plant has had so far, and also a pleasant surprise that I was not expecting. So if we look at the ends here, you can notice that these things are taking off. They're doing really, really well. At the end of each stem, the leaves are growing nice and strong, just as we had expected, and I cannot be any happier. On every single one where we took cuttings from, they're just doing really, really well. I'm very, very happy. Nice colors, the plant is coming back. And what I was super surprised to see is that if we turn this plant sideways, you'll see that these were growing all the way out to like over to here when we took the cuttings, and I thought I was gonna have to train them and put a few sticks in the soil and tie them up in order to get them to grow upwards. The plant just reverted to that state naturally without any other influence besides just taking the cuttings. You see everything's growing quite vertical. Definitely happy with that, and I'm glad to see that as well, because I don't have to touch anything else with the plant. I'm going to leave it as it is. What I'll be doing to continue training this plant over time is just periodically taking cuttings from the top of the plant, maybe once every few months, just to keep the majority of the growth down underneath and to keep that base nice and strong and healthy. Besides that, I won't be doing anything else to it, and it is all ready to grow. Thank you all so much for watching. I will do an update video in a few months on this to let you all know how it's going. But as far as right now, it is doing awesome, and I'm so happy for it. So thank you all so much for watching. Have a great and wonderful gardening adventure.